Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best NVMe M.2 SSDs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay? So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the crucial P310 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD. At an unbeatable price of just $74.78, this SSD is the perfect choice for budget-conscious users looking to shift up to Gen 4 performance. With sequential read speeds of up to 7,100 megabytes per second, it delivers a significant boost in boot-up times, file transfers, and game load speeds. Plus, it includes a free month of Adobe Creative Cloud, which is a nice bonus for creatives. The crucial P310 comes in a standard M.2 2280 form factor with a sleek black PCB. It's compact, lightweight, and compatible with a wide range of devices, including gaming consoles, desktops, and workstations. However, its lack of advanced cooling solutions, like integrated heat sinks, may make it less ideal for heavy workloads or sustained gaming sessions. While it's not the fastest SSD on the list, the P310 strikes a great balance between affordability and performance. It's a fantastic option for everyday users who want to upgrade their storage without breaking the bank. The trade-off here is slightly lower endurance and fewer high-end features compared to premium models, but for the price, it's hard to beat. At number 4, we have the Samsung 990 EVO Plus 1TB SSD. Priced at $74.99, it's another affordable option, but with a bit more polish and a focus on cutting-edge technology. Its sequential read speeds of up to 7,250 megabytes per second and write speeds of 6,300 megabytes per second make it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals alike. The drive features Intelligent Turbo Write 2.0, which enhances large file transfers, making it ideal for tasks like video editing or moving massive game files. The build quality of the 990 EVO Plus is top-notch, as expected from Samsung, with thermal control technologies like a nickel-coated controller to prevent overheating. It's highly efficient, offering up to 50% better power performance compared to older models, which is especially useful for laptop users who need to conserve battery life. While it doesn't quite reach the performance heights of Samsung's flagship 990 Pro, the 990 EVO Plus offers incredible value for those who want a reliable, high-speed SSD at a reasonable price. Its compatibility with PCIe Gen 4x4 and Gen 5x2 ensures that it's future-proof for most users, though hardcore gamers and professionals may still prefer higher-tier options. Coming in at number 3 is the WD Black 2TB SN850X SSD. Priced at $139.99, this SSD is purpose-built for gamers and content creators who demand high performance. With sequential read speeds of up to 7,250 megabytes per second and write speeds of 6,900 megabytes per second, it's a great choice for gaming PCs, laptops, and even handheld gaming devices. It also boasts up to 100% more power efficiency compared to its predecessor, making it a smart pick for portable devices. The SN850 features a solid build quality with a slim profile that fits seamlessly into most setups. Its standout feature is the downloadable WD Black dashboard, which lets you monitor drive health and optimize performance. Additionally, the SSD has an impressive endurance rating of up to 2,400 terabyte W for the 4 terabyte model, making it a reliable option for long-term use. The only downside is that it doesn't include an integrated heatsink, which could be an issue for extended gaming sessions. Still, if you're looking for a well-rounded SSD with excellent performance and storage capacity, the SN850 is a fantastic mid-range option. Taking the number 2 spot is the WD Black 2TB SN850X SSD. At $155.55, it's slightly more expensive than the SN850, but you're getting a significant performance boost with sequential read speeds of up to 7,300 megabytes a second. This SSD is designed for gamers who demand top-tier performance, featuring technologies like predictive loading, overhead balancing, and adaptive thermal management for optimal gaming experiences. The SN850X is available with an optional heatsink, which is highly recommended for maintaining peak performance during intense sessions. The WD Black dashboard also makes a return here, offering detailed monitoring and the ability to customize RGB lighting for the heatsink version. Its build quality and design are impeccable, with a premium feel that matches its performance. While it's an exceptional SSD, the SN850X's price may be a bit steep for casual users. However, for professional gamers and power users, it's a worthwhile investment that delivers blazing fast speeds and advanced features. If you're looking for a drive that can handle anything you throw at it, the SN850X is a solid choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Samsung 990 Pro SSD, the crown jewel of this list. Priced at $169.99, it's the most expensive option here, but it justifies every penny with unmatched performance. With sequential read speeds of up to 7,450 megabytes per second and write speeds of 6,900 megabytes per second, this SSD is perfect for high-end computing, gaming, and heavy-duty workstations. It features Samsung's latest VNAND technology, offering a 55% improvement in random read performance compared to its predecessor, the 980 Pro. The design is sleek and compact, with excellent build quality. The 990 Pro is also incredibly power efficient, delivering up to 50% better performance per watt compared to older models. Samsung's Magician software provides additional control, allowing users to monitor drive health, update firmware, and optimize performance with ease. The only downside is the premium price, but for those who want the best of the best, the 990 Pro is unrivaled. It's the ideal choice for professional creators, hardcore gamers, and anyone who needs top-tier performance without compromise. If you want the fastest and most reliable SSD on the market, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.